We are making some cornbread with fresh corn. And you'll see in the ingredients list that you'll need 3 ears of fresh corn, which is a little over 2 cups of corn kernels. I just use a knife to slice off the kernels and then I process them. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a cast iron skillet for this. Whisk all the dry ingredients together. On the stove, cook the processed kernels over medium heat until the paste thickens up. This took me around 5 minutes. Take this off the heat and melt 5 tablespoons of butter into it. Then add 1 cup of buttermilk. Since I didn't have buttermilk on hand, I used regular milk with some lemon juice squeezed in. You want to then add the eggs and the egg yolk into the mixture. Finally, fold in your dry ingredients. Take the remaining tablespoon of butter and melt it on your skillet. Once that is melted, pour your batter into the skillet and bake for 23 to 28 minutes. You could put butter and honey on this cornbread, but I eat it plain. If you enjoyed this video or thought it was helpful, please hit like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you have not already subscribed for videos on different creative projects I'm working on. You might want to put some butter and honey on the spread, or eat it plain.